intimidating. Some professors might have a lot of stuff here, but we're just gonna go over the basics of it, okay? So we're gonna go for enlargements. So you notice here on the spinal cord, we have a thin line. So it's like very thin, but then it becomes very big between here and here. That's the cervical enlargement. So cervical enlargement is right over here. Go down, it gets bigger again over here, and that's the lumbar enlargement. Over here, we have something called plexuses. A plexus is just a group of nerves that are coming out. So this is going to be called the brachial plexus. Within the brachial plexus, the only nerve we need to know is the phrenic nerve right over here. We go into the thoracic region, but in the thoracic region, there is no plexuses. The only thing we do have is intercostal nerves right over here. So these are intercostal nerves. Going over here, we have the lumbar plexus, which is all this is the lumbar plexus. Something we need to know is the femoral nerve. This is the nerve, femoral nerve, which is right over here. From there, we go into the sacral plexus, and in the sacral plexus, the only thing we need to know is the sciatic nerve, which is the biggest nerve in the body. So this is the sciatic nerve. Now, I'm going to go over structures as well. In the cervical region, we have the cervical chain ganglion. Thoracic region, we have our sympathetic chain ganglion, which is this little pink stuff right here. Sympathetic chain ganglion. And now we're going to go into the most things they ask on the exam. This V-shaped thing that you see right here is going to be called the conus medullaris, right? Coming out to the conus medullaris is the filum terminalis. This is just this one line right here. You see it? That's going to be the filum terminale. Everything else outside of it is the cauda equina. So this is all cauda equina. They say that it looks like a horsetail. So cauda equina, conus medullaris, and filum terminale. So a quick rundown on this model again is we have our cervical enlargement, lumbar enlargement, brachial plexus, phrenic nerve, cervical ganglion, sympathetic chain ganglion, intercostal nerves, lumbar plexus, femoral nerve, sacral plexus, sciatic nerve, conus medullaris is the V shape, coming out of it, filum terminale, everything else, cauda equina. That's it.